So you are in the Kingston area and you want some good food, just minutes, literally 2 minutes walk from the Flow building down the road, or right behind we have the big Pegasus, huge Pegasus Hotel, just right across from the Pegasus Hotel, and you want some good food. Crazy day today. Stew peas on the menu with pigtail, curry goat, fried chicken, sweet and sour chicken, also red pea soup with pigtail. Today is a pork day. Also steamed fish with okra and callaloo stuffed on the inside, jerk pork, jerk chicken, corn soup, salt fish fritters, and more stuffs on the side. So if you want some good food on the day another area, right on Oxford Road, just across from the big Pegasus Hotel right there, just forward at Ourplace Bar and Jerk, and we won't be disappointed. We are heading inside the kitchen because the menu today. Yes, man.
Welcome to Ourplace Bar and Restaurant. We are at 11 Oxford Road, New Kingston. We are open 7 days per week. Please come and enjoy our meal and our drink with us.
Nice. Ourplace Bar and Jerk. Here in the time, we're heading inside the kitchen. Wow. So, entering the kitchen right now, I'm going to tell you, say, a piece of smell just box me. Just look at all these pots lying out. We are going to the pot them right now. Oh, yes.
This is curry mutton.
Where's the mutton this? See my nung right here. Yo, this smells so good. And this not seasoned up yet, right?
No.
Oh my god, nice. Oh, yes.
Stew peas. Getting all the peas is cooking.
Oh, peas are well soft, yeah?
Yeah.
And this is strictly pigtail.
Strictly
Strictly
pigtail.
pigtail.
And I'm going to put a little garlic in it along with the peas.
Oh yeah, for that,
Yes, so the
that
pigtail-
help it cook, yeah?
Right, so the
Nice.
pigtail is already scalded out and everything.
Oh,
When
nice.
that reach to a point, I'm
Yeah.
going to add in this pigtail to go along with this peas. So this is white rice.
Nice. Oh yeah, because the people them love them pigtail and them curry goat with white rice.
White rice.
Nice,
So
nice.
the white rice is going to, the soup is there bubbling up, and I always have a pot of water there to put on the meat because I don't put cold water on my meat.
Oh yeah. Crazy technique. A huge pot right there with boiling water. That's actually for pour, especially upon the curry goat. When you pour cold water on your meat, that slow down the process and the cooking, and crazy technique, me I tell you now. Yeah man, it's big huge pot over there for the soup. Pigtail soup. Yes man. Man, this pot of rice and peas is going to be so good. That smells good already, and I know that the season of about ton load of scallion and pepper and all of them things over there. So for going at this rice and peas pot, and it I get feed those a season right there. The pigtail already scald off, yeah? Yeah. I just wait for going at some peas right now. You know the vibes. Natural, authentic cooking here in Kingston, man. Vibes. Whole pepper gone in that was scallion, turn load that scallion thyme, and also pepper cut up in that fine. Continuously giving him that warm water, yeah?
Yeah, no,
Nice,
quick.
nice. Cooking process now slow down at time. Well scald off already.
Yeah, man.
Oh, nice.
prep and put out.
Nice.
So the peas already cooked. So now just blend in everything.
Nice. Oh yeah, that pigtail gone in. Right now that piece well cooked. So that pigtail add to that crazy vibes. All of that can turn one set of family now. So just look more from this well seasoned and all them spinners and them thing there. Yes man. Heavenly food. Yeah man.
My red peas with pumpkin.
It's a red peas with pumpkin.
Yeah. You can pull it back in the pot.
Red peas with pigtail and pumpkin. Yes. Yeah. That smell just rise up. Yes man. That's the sweet and sour sauce right there. Wow.
I'm gonna do is put a little ketchup in mine.
Oh yeah. Oh, can't go wrong with the ketchup, you know. That's a Jamaican signature touch of spice right there, the ketchup. Everything. Yeah man. Boy, my sister put the ketchup on her soup.
You know what? I never had tomato soup.
Oh yes. So the sweet and sour get a little purple over there. That's the sauce for the chicken, and the main ingredients in sweet and sour is the vinegar. Yeah, the vinegar and the sugar.
The sourness,
Yeah, vinegar
the
for this.
tanginess, should say this, the tanginess.
Yeah, the tanginess.
The sugar give it the sweet.
So the vinegar give that little that tanginess, that sour slight sour edge, and the sugar which give the sweetness with other little seasonings and spice. Crazy vibe. So it's,
Ginger.
oh yeah, blend ginger.
Yeah. This is the ginger juice.
Boy, everything blend out, even that garlic, oh, well grind out. You're getting out that juice out of that.
I put a little bit of pimento in it as well. And you can
Oh,
put
yeah.
a little bit of soy sauce.
Oh, nice. Crazy vibes. It have to be perfect. Sweet and sour, it have to be perfect. So you have to balance the both of them to get that little tanginess and that sweetness. Yeah, man.
And
Crazy
salt
vibes.
taste.
Oh, yeah, and salt for taste. Oh, yeah.
Bubbly. I'm gonna make some spinners.
Boy, the pigtail over this have bubble on. Crazy stew peas like so that ready for some spinners now.
Yeah.
Oh yes. You can't. What is stew peas without them little spinners? Crazy authentic Jamaican vibe, man. Yeah man, inside the kitchen. That's a vibe. That's a rice funny. Oh, look on this. Yeah man, it's safe to say it's not traditional if you not put your spinners in your stew peas, man. Yeah man, where that I go? Oh, yeah man.
This is the coconut one.
Soup bubbling over there.
Yeah.
The food's at
Yam, sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Irish.
Irish. All of that for the body of the soup, yeah? Spinners too.
I make some
Alright,
small
so make
dumpling.
some round dumpling. Small rounders.
Mhm.
Alright, you have a rounders and you have the spinners. Nice. Oh yeah, these are nice bite size, man. Nice bite sizes. This guy can put 3 name out one time. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah man, so you have the rounders and you have the spinners. Crazy vibes. So them I get both rounders and spinners. So them round dumpling there some nice tiny bites. I put 4 of them in one time in your mouth. Yeah man.
Coconut milk. Make it boil down and then add the seasoning. We check back with the stew peas now. I love to put a lot of coconut milk in it.
A lot of coconut milk for your stew peas.
Yeah.
Nice.
No worry.
And 2 more touch of ginger. Nice.
For it. Let this simmer down. I'm not have to thicken it or anything because it's already filled. Have a nice texture.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that. All that coconut milk has stand up in that. Yes man. Tons of flavor.
I normally burst the pepper and just put them in there.
pimento is strong, you know.
That's what I blend it.
Strong pimento when you clean out them, man. Nice. For real. Soup pot is coming on real nice right there. Yeah, man. Earth gold and green. Pretty up the pot. Nice. Yeah, man, the soup pot looking extra good right there. We can see that coconut milk stand up in that with all of that pumpkin, with all of that ground food if you keep the body. And then all of that scallion and that nougat, that pepper, that hot scotch bonnet pepper from all different colors and races. Boy, the smell of this chicken, I can actually smell the seasoning gone right down, fully marinated. You can literally, you feel like you want to bite piece of this just as it is flowing up before it going out the aisle. Totally smell good. Alright. Oh yeah. Whenever chicken just drop in the fryer and that bubbling where you get, yeah man, that just have a little soothing, relaxing thing to it. Jeez, man. That's the technique. You don't want the chicken them stick while them frying. Give them that hand movement. Yes man, the vibes. Yeah man.
Just going into the corn. This is the end result of the rice and peas.
Ooh. Perfecto.
See?
Nice. Oh, you can see a couple strips of olive with them pepper there now. Oh yeah man. Yes. Just like that. Nice. Coming on nice. Super good, nice. Oh. Stew peas done. That's pineapple.
Pineapple, onion, sweet pepper, carrot.
Oh, nice. Wow.
This is for the curry.
Oh yeah, definitely have to have the spice, you know. Oh yes.
You know you want to cut my finger for a morning, you know.
Ooh, nice. Nice. Got that now. Pretty up the curry pot now. You want to touch ginger?
And some of the juice.
Why I feel like this better, you know, when the ginger blend, you know, because a whole heap of trick me get, you know, I take up ginger for meat, you know. Yeah, man. It's so much better when it blend. Definitely. Garlic. Whoa.
Blended garlic.
Yeah, man. Ah, the blended pimento. Yeah, man.
Maggi.
Boy, the curry goat coming down to par now. It's like a feed those are final touches, all of them skelly and thyme, the Irish we give the body, all of them little thing there. Pimento, the ginger, the garlic. Yeah, man, that come down to par now, and then you want to make sure so you make gravy with that because yard people love them gravy. Yes, man. That's chicken for the sweet and sour. So all of this are going to the sauce.
Now I got a grenade sauce.
Oh, nice.
That's the chicken for it.
Boy, everything done and come down to par right now. Oh, come down to the real deal. Sweet and sour. Already fry up and thing. All that chicken already fried, so I just wait for going to the sauce. So the curry goat, the fried chicken over there, rice and peas, stewed peas, everything basically finish up. That come down to the real deal now. The yamins. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Chicken finish up. Chicken well done, rice and peas are right. So, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is it right here. Crazy thing. One. Oh, wanna see this? Oh yes. So we have the sweet and sour and this. We have this stew peas and this the fried chicken. We get a little of the white rice. We get a little of the rice and peas, the curry goat. See the Pegasus Hotel over there, so you know. Just look right behind me. That's the Pegasus Hotel. So just across from Pegasus Hotel, yeah man, our place and the Oasis. Yeah man, our place and the Oasis. Crazy. Oh, we're gonna dive into this right now. Yo, this smells so good. Man, this is no play food. This is no play food. And do remember, when you don't see a video on Yard Life's Good, just head over to Yard Life's Great. I'll be dropping contents over there as well. Crazy vibes. This plate looks so good, man. Jeez, yes. Yo, that plate are crazy, man. We're gonna dive into this right now. This is Ourplace Bar, and that literally piece of the Irish, just the Irish, I take up a while ago, and this thing just sting with flavor just a while ago. This thing just sting me with a piece of flavor. The Irish, buttery. I will also get the white rice with this out. Get the white rice on the rice and peas. Oh yeah, we're getting that milk. We're getting that milk from the white rice. Respect. Give thanks. Thank you so much. Soup rich. Pigtail. Now this soup. Crazy vibes. Today is a pig day. I got that one Lucas in. This is the vibe, man. Yo, the rice. Super creamy. Super creamy. And yeah, get that I get that coconut taste. Ooh, going at the rice and peas. Yo, yeah, Jamaica is so nice, man. I tell you. You won't be disappointed pulling up at this spot. Not telling you. Oh God. This rice and peas. Oh, we're going at the curry goat right now. We'll get some of the Irish already. We're going inside of the curry goat now. The goat itself. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh, I got this good all the time. Whoa. This rice. I'm not telling you like this rice. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay, now the fried chicken. Wanna know this are the universal meat in Jamaica, the fried chicken. Every restaurant where you go. Have you ever touched a fried chicken? Look at the sweet and sour sauce. On the fried chicken. I'm going to the sweet and sour chicken. Yo, the sauce, dangerous. The sweet and sour sauce, yes, you see the pineapple in that, the sweet pepper, the carrot, all of them things there. And then all of the seasonings and spice, we get a little touch of vibrant color and texture and taste. Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour. Wow, that is good. That is good. I go back on some more rice and peas. Put some of this gravy upon some of this curry gravy. I want to touch the main targeted. The stew peas. Oh, the white rice done already. Oh yeah, this was what I was talking about. You can see the greeneries. Oh, I never want to see it, but all of them skelly and all of them things they were cut up in the rice and peas. The pepper, you can see some of the yellow pepper, because some of the pepper going there cut up, and of course the real traditional authentic way, jack a couple of them in that hole. Flavor can done. Wow. That is sweet pepper. Sweet pepper from the sweet and sour. All of them giving that crunchy sweet vibe. Crunchy and nice. And of course we're heading into the crazy pigtail. The pigtail. Pigtail have to have that little saltiness. I love to taste that little saltiness when it comes to the pigtail. Pigtail not supposed to fresh. But I dip in this right now. Boy. And of course the spinach and all that peas. Well cooked. Oh God, man. Oh, this piece of the pineapple. This piece of the pineapple from the sweet and sour. Yo, the pineapple just bursts with a lot of flavor. Just bursts out with some flavor. And of course you can't go wrong with some greens, some fresh greens. Some fresh greens and also some salad cut up into that. Can't go wrong. just like that's this plate of food done. Just like that. This plate of food is finished. But we're not done yet. We have jerk to eat. Crazy vibes. We have jerk chicken, we have jerk pork, and we also are going to some fish. Hey, right here on the spot. Crazy vibes. So, forward. Jerk time. Hold on. I'm going to the soup. Well, soup. The spoon I take too long to pour. Yes. Pigtail soup. Boy, pure time and scallion I see a float up right here, so pure time and scallion float up on this. Oh yes, we'll get a piece of the pigtail. Get a piece of the pigtail with the fork. Too hot. Get a little piece. Well scald off. While still retaining that little saltiness. Oh God, yo, this well hot. This well hot. I want to grab a piece of the pigtail, but this soaking hot. One of the spinners. Ooh. Oh, this well hot now. Crazy vibe, but this plate I go down. Yeah man, this plate I go down right now. Let me say this plate I will go down today. That's a new talk. But we're heading over to some jerk right now. Yeah man, same place on the spot. Just across me have the jerk chicken, the jerk pork, the roast fish, and also soup. The vegetable soup, the corn soup. The corn is the meat. That's the main thing in the soup. We're about to try some of that. So, forward. More food. On a weekend, this place is so crazy. On a weekend, you can come here with your family, just come chill. Crazy, huge bar over that side, big seating area and all of that. But that's on a Friday. On a Saturday, you can pass through, forget the jerk, the real jerk pork and the jerk chicken and all of that. But during the week, they prepare crazy home style cooking, crazy fried chicken, curry goat, stew peas, you name it. But on a Friday, you can come here and get the outside jerk. We can see the pans over there. We can see the jerk pork pan, the jerk chicken pan and all of that set up, all of the fire ketchup and everything. So these already pre-prepped, the chicken already pre-cooked, the pork already pre-cooked, so I just grill them one up on right now. So we're there to check out the fish, the chicken and the pork. This is Ourplace Bar and Jerk right here on Oxford Road. Crazy big area for you and your family to forward, but we're there to come check out some jerking. Crazy vibes. Yeah man. Wow, we're in the jerk pit right now. The place smells so good. We can see the whole fire them a blaze up right now. All that one now are just some chicken and some pork up on the grill. All of them labels, so nothing you can't get mixed up right here. If a chicken you come for, you get a chicken, and if a pork also, and also the roast fish sign over there. Crazy labelings are going right here, so Yeah man, and the fire them a blaze up and the stuff them coming out right now, the sauces and everything, for everything up on the grill. We can't wait to taste it like this. Yes man, especially some of this pork.
Alright, this jerk sauce, Ourplace jerk sauce. Special flavor. The place to be, our place.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, so these are the chickens. So as them is now, these are like pre-seasonal.
Partially.
Nice.
Yeah.
So when them go up on the grill, them not take no whole day.
No whole day thing, no whole day setting.
Nice.
That's the real authentic Jamaican jerk chicken I have right now.
Alright.
You see, flavor, with days. As I tell you before, our place, the place to be.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, on the grill.
We have half or we have quarter.
Oh, no do whole half too.
Yeah.
Whoa, so if somebody want half a chicken,
Them
half
can
a
get half a
jerk chicken.
yeah.
Whoa,
We have in a quarters as well.
nice. Why them a smell good though?
Just cool, man.
Smell really good.
4-day marination.
4 day?
4-day marination.
Whoa, 4 day. Whoa. What them chicken have, them the seasoning soaking at them chicken for 4 days straight. Now you can smell the seasoning. Jeez, please.
Spray it down with some beer when done, is it?
Can't go wrong with some red
sorry
stripe, you know.
beer. If a red
sorry,
stripe beer, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Sorry
Nice.
beer.
Oh, this smells so good.
It's cool, man. That's it, man.
Nice.
As I tell you before, our place, the place to be, so everybody invited.
Our place.
Our place.
Nice. Nice, so the chicken them gone on. Yo, you want to smell this chicken? No joke, it smells so good. And right over the side right now, I just want some festival and thing. The pork is here also.
All sides.
Alright? And the pork is here also. The pork I go drop on the grill. We have over this right now, but so I go on. Yeah, man.
I'm a general.
So I get that out of sorry too.
Yeah.
Right? So that get a touch of sorrel beer and also the regular red stripe beer. You know the sauce right now. I go up on the chicken then. This is going to be so good. Can't wait to taste this. Whoa. Why chef pork can smell good?
Yeah, man.
Nah, tell a lie.
The man, the baddest in the town, you know?
Pork can smell. Say body's in that town. Pork smell real good, man. Me not tell a lie.
The marinade on him, you know? Then,
What the best broom that for season them, you know.
yeah, man, time, you know?
One bungle at a time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Boy, that pork can smell real good, man. I tell you, like, have a bungle of time just a brush that with all of that sauce, man. I tell you, though. All of that beer smell. And also them have this kind of soup. It's corn soup. It's just strictly vegetable, no meat or anything. We're gonna take a look on that right now. Corn soup. Yeah, man.
Callaloo stuff with callaloo, okra, and pumpkin. You
Callaloo,
see it?
okra, and pumpkin.
Yeah.
Well stuff.
And see it? Okra sauce. Fully slimy, you know? Ooh. All them on them don't have a female and don't get a female impregnated. This is it.
Wow.
Yeah. So pretty style now.
Nice.
Red snapper. Main thing about this soup is the corn. It's a vegetable soup, but the main thing about the soup is the corn. Yeah.
Wow. Full of corn.
Full of corn. Look at it. Food galore.
Nice.
Yeah, man. One sip of this, keep on coming back. Oh.
Corn soup. Yeah, man. That look good bubbling in the pot right there. Crazy vibes. And the nice thing about this place, you come here, you take no time to get your food because most of the things are literally pre-cooked and well ready. So when them come, I just heat them go over and then basically ready. Yes, man. Chicken and the pork soup. Yeah, man. A piece of yellow yam on the grill, also sweet potato. You can't go wrong with that over the heat. Yeah, man. Roast sweet potato and roast yam. Can never go wrong. Crazy vibes. Yes, man. The pork ready.
Yeah.
Right.
Flavorful. Everything will stamp and go. Everything you know. Yeah. You know the saltfish, everything. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Fully flavored. As you see, fully juicy.
this is the vegetables, the corn soup. Just strictly vegetable, no meat. The corn in this is actually the meat, and this smells so good. This smells like chicken foot soup. Jeez, yes. So I get the stuff them now. I get some pork, I get some chicken. We're also getting fish. And yo, the place is so vibrant. May I tell you, the surrounding over that side, a lot of people coming in to get them just to come relax and drink some drinks and just walla vibe, walla eat some fish, some chicken, some pork or whatever, and just walla vibe. And but they're here to try out the food. They're here to try out the soup, the jerk, and everything. So I gotta dive in right now. Yes, man. Our place. So we have the pork right here, we have the fish stuffed with all of that okra and callaloo and all of them vibes. We have the chicken right here, we have the soup, and also we can't go wrong with the Heineken. That's the vibe. And also we have some stamp and go. You don't know, saltfish fritters. We have plantain right here, and also some roast sweet potato and yam dede to bammy dede. Crazy vibe. So I can dive in all of this right now. Yeah man. Yeah man, they smell so good. It actually smell like it give me a chicken foot kind of vibe. Yeah man, nothing no missing, only thing the meat, but the corn and the meat for this. Yeah man. The flavor. Oh yeah, and it's packed with a lot of stuff. Crazy vibes. Just like when you're drinking the chicken foot soup or anything like that. This packed with a ton load of flavor. But the corn in this actually the meat. See it right there, so corn soup. Oh yeah man. This tastes good, and it actually have a spice where I kick the pepper. Real Jamaican vibe. Oh yeah, this is jerk chicken. We're actually sewing this up on the grill. It's well seasoned down. Most of them stuff actually pre-prep, so when them come out in the evenings, them basically take no time at all. Oh. Soak right through, and this is actually the breast. This is actually chicken breast. Oh, so the sauce are wicked. So not just the chicken, we got the pork and also our fish. Piece of the skin. Yo. Without even the sauce, may I tell you this is a kick. Without the sauce, this is actually kicking the spice, the pepper right now. My tongue are burn off. Oh, may I tell you. get piece more of this skin. Man, them said this a marinade for about 4 days straight. Can't go wrong with some fried plantain at that. Crazy vibes. The vibe here is amazing. They have a lot of stuff on the menu, especially on the weekend. And as I said, during the week, them do crazy home style cooking vibes. Fried chicken, curry goat, all of them little things there. If you not hear a little sound, a cat actually they right on my foot. Want some of the food. I'll give some of the food, man. Don't worry no head. Crazy, but I'm going at this fish. Huge fish right here. It's packed with a lot of vegetables and stuff. The okra, the carrots, all of that. It's a huge snapper. Oh. Wrapped up in a foil paper and go over the grill. Can't get no better than that. Ooh. Pure flesh, pure flavor. Boy, a lot of carrot, loads of carrot. Whoa. These are the vibe where you literally can't go wrong with, I'm telling you. Outdoor settings, eating outdoor under the cool breeze. Slimy okra, roast fish vibes. Yeah, man. Oh man. Yo, this fish tastes so good, man. I tell you, like, fish are wicked. And a lot of flesh. Oh, yeah. This is the vibe, and you literally can't go wrong. Wash down all of this with some Heineken, the real Jamaican way, and remember we have the sweet potato here. We have the bammy in a coconut milk. Crazy vibes. Wash down all of this with some Heineken. Can't go wrong. This is the vibe. Ourplace Bar Jerk. Just forward, come enjoy some good music in the background and some fish, some jerk chicken, some jerk pork, some bammy, some festival, some plantain, some soup. Drink a Heineken or a beer and you can't go wrong. The real Jamaican way. Ourplace Bar Jerk. Yeah man. Right, just here on Oxford Road. Boy, this is one of the nicest fish I ever eaten in a while, man. I'm telling you, crazy vibes. Just forward at this spot here on Oxford Road, Ourplace Bar Jerk, and you won't be disappointed. Remember, they do crazy stuff. They have crazy stuff on the menu throughout the week, but on a weekend, just forward, come enjoy some jerk chicken, some pork, some fish, outdoor settings, listen good music, and just all a vibe. Me, I'm telling you, crazy vibes. Yeah, man.